Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a great Friday. In today's video, we are going to be installing a Universal Gurney flap that I picked up from eBay for $16. I was kind of skeptical about it at first when I saw this listing because I just kind of assumed that it's like the garage gaskets that you get from Home Depot. But when it came in the mail, I was pretty surprised. It has some weight to it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the Universal Gurney flap for $16 off eBay. Alright, so here's a closer look of the Gurney flap. As you can see, it tapers off towards the edge here on both sides. And it does angle up a little bit there, as you can see. It does come with double-sided tape all the way across. And I believe this measures out to be 1.2 meters. I'll do the calculations for you guys. It's a tad short, but I think fits the car very well. This shape and style is very similar to the Passport JDM Gurney flap for the 2013 and 2015 Honda Civic SI sedans. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this slapped on the car and we'll see how this looks. Alright, so this is kind of where I want it. It's a bit short, but I'm not too bummed about that. Kind of have it even on both sides. Yeah, it's pretty centered. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the backing on the double-sided tape and get this gurney flap on. Again, they do offer this in carbon fiber, but I don't like fake carbon, so I decided to opt out for the black. All right, there it is, guys. The $16 Universal Gurney flap from eBay. Personally, I like it. Nice little touch. I do wish it was a tad taller, but considering that there's limited spoiler options for the 2012 Honda Civic SI sedans, this will do. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. We'll definitely like to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Alright guys, that concluded for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on this one. If you guys haven't already and you guys do enjoy the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. It would definitely help me out. But until then guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking.